Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market update dated the 10th of August, 2023. The Indian equity market gave a thumbs down to the outcome of the Reserve Bank of India's (RBI) policy meeting on August 10th, which decided to maintain an additional 10% of incremental cash reserve ratio (ICRR) for banks. An upward revision of inflation forecast also dampened investor sentiments. At close, the Sensex was down 307.63 points, or 0.47% at 65,688.18, and the Nifty was down 89.40 points, or 0.46% at 19,543.10. Adani Enterprises, IndusInd Bank, and Adani Ports were top gainers, while Asian Paints, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and ITC were among the top losers on the Nifty. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Granules India was trading almost 5% down on August 10th, after the company reported a 62.4% year-on-year decline in the June quarter net profit at 47.9 rupees crore. Granules India reported a 3.3% year-on-year decline in revenue from operations at 985.5 rupees crore. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization were down 35.3% at 136.8 rupees crore. The EBITDA margin contracted by 680 basis points to 13.9%. Shares of Force Motors Limited raced 10% to hit a 52-week high of 3,040 rupees, and are locked in the upper circuit on August 9th after the automobile company turned profitable in the April-June quarter. The company has reported a consolidated profit of 68.6 rupees crore for the quarter ended June financial year 2024, against a loss of 16.6 rupees crore in the year-ago period, the company said in an exchange filing on August 9th. Shares of CMS Infosystems Limited fell nearly 8% on August 10th after 3.2 crore shares, or 21.6% stake in the company worth 1,163 rupees crore, changed hands in a bunch of trades. In June, the stock saw a similar huge block deal where its promoter, Asain Investment Holdings Pte Limited, an affiliate of Baring Private Equity Asia, offloaded 13.8% stake in the company amounting to 638 rupees crore. The marquee investors who bought shares in the company included Abu Dhabi Investment, Norges Bank and ValueQuest. Shares of Thomas Cook, India, surged to their 52-week high of 116.55 rupees on August 10th, after the travel services firm swung back into the black in quarter one with a net profit of 70.9 rupees crore. Thomas Cook had posted a consolidated net loss of 6 rupees crore in quarter one financial year 2023. Sequentially too, it had reported a loss of 10.2 rupees crore in the quarter ended March 2023. Zee Entertainment shares shrug off weak quarter one results, NCLT order on Sony merger eyed. Shares up by 16%. Revenue from operations at 1,984 rupees crore grew by 7.6%, with subscription revenue rising 18% to 907.5 rupees crore in quarter one, financial year 2024. Zee reported a 97% year-on-year decline in profit from continuing operations at 3.87 rupees crore for quarter one, financial year 2024. Shares of GMR Power and Urban Infrastructure fell 5% on August 10th as a dull earnings performance during the June quarter triggered selling in the stock. The company reported a consolidated net loss of 217.75 rupees crore in the June quarter as against a net profit of 201.67 rupees crore a year ago. Though revenue is up 5.2% year-on-year at 1,124.22 rupees crore and EBITDA also rose nearly 5% to 152.49 rupees crore. Operating margin was stable at 13.56% as compared with 13.63% in the corresponding quarter last fiscal. TRENT shares climbed 1.65% at 1,817.4 rupees at 9:42 am after the company reported a 44% increase year-on-year in its net profit number in the April to June quarter. Net profit for the period was 148.27 rupees crores. The stock touched a 52-week high of 1,806.4 rupees on August 9, after the results were announced. Morgan Stanley has an equal weight rating on the stock and has raised its target price to 1,624 rupees. The brokerage firm said that continued strong top-line growth delivery is a positive for the stock. Morgan Stanley also said that TRENT has reduced its subsidiary losses and is giving better investors a better disclosure about the company. ITD Cementation India shares rose nearly 8% in the early trade on August 10, hitting a 52-week high of 214.10 rupees after the company's joint venture secured a contract in Bangladesh. ITD Cementation India, in a joint venture with Transrail Lighting Limited, has won a contract from Power Grid Company of Bangladesh Limited, PGCB, to provide turnkey services for the design, supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of Package 01, Lot 03, the Jamuna River crossing portion of Bagurakalia 400 kV double-circuit transmission line. Hindustan Composites Limited in daily time frame is trading around 444.65 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 488.45 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 433.30, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.86. DB International Stockbrokers Limited in daily time frame is trading around 35.75 points with a change of 19.97% and is trading with a net volume of around 406.435 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 36.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.25. Manograph Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 22.15 points with a change of 19.41% and is trading with a net volume of around 898.947 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 21.01, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 72.85. For stocks to watch, we have Adani Ports looks good on current market price of 802. It can be bought at 805 rupees, keeping target of 830 rupees with stop loss of 781. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.